Mag-inom ko o tambal. Wait. Relax. Kasi po, I have to take my medicine and my vitamins regularly. So I'll feel better and well, para makaulit na ko, para maayon ako. As for now, nagalain ako ang paminaw. Galit-galit lang nagalain ako ang paminaw. That made my husband really worried. So, para dili siya mag-worry, mag-inom tag tambal. Para dili ta makasabaan sa atong bana. Okay? It's time to drink my meds. Aside from that, I have to take my vitamins para dili taluya while nagapaayod ta, nagapagaling from being sick and infected with COVID-19. So we have to be strong enough to fight alone. Kaysa karon mag-isa ko diri sa isolation, mingaw may na lang akong bana nga sige padala sa ako mga needs kanang bisag kapoy kaayo, bisag nagaulan, bisag init kaayo, wala niya to ginamind para lang sa ako pa, di ba? Asa mo ana? Grabe kay ko pa palang ka sa akong bana. I'm done. I'm good and happy. I think makaulit na ko after a few days, because for now I feel better than ever. I have a great dinner which was prepared by my very loving husband. And then, kumpleto akong medicine. Ako ang vitamins. And, na-adjud ko yung load para maka-communicate sa iyaha. Unlimited communication. Now, it's very important. So, ciao! Bye-bye for now.